In this video, we'll learn round off. So, how to do rounded off. So, we'll be doing round off. So, there are various. So, we can round off any number. Either we can do it tens round off, or we can go for hundreds round off, or we can go for thousands round off, and so on. So, we'll start with tens round off. So, let me write one number like 27. So here you can see I have written 27 and I am trying to do tens round off. So for that I have to check that what is the closest tens in the left side of 27 and what is the closest tens in the right side of 27. So if I see, if you check, then you'll find that 20 is the closest tens, two tens, right? 20, and 30 is the three tens, that is closer to 27. So now I have to see 27 is closer to which one. First I have to find out in the left side the tens, that is 2010 is there, and the closest 10, the closest 10 in the right side, because in the right side of 27 we have 30, 310, 40, 50, but I'll be taking 30. Okay, I will not take 40 and 50 because 30 is the closest 10 in the right side of 27. And in the left side also we have 10, 20, 110, 210, but closest to 27 in the left side is 20, not 10. Okay, so now I have to decide which one I have to choose after rounding off. So I can go for 20, I can go for 30. So for that I have to check 27 is closer to which number, or you can say which, or this 20 and 30, out of these two, which one is closer to 27. So clearly 30 is closer to 27, so the round off of 27 will be 30. Let us take another example, 52. So here also, for rounding off, go in the right direction and you will find 60, and in the left direction you will find 50. So in the right direction you have 60, in the left direction you have 50. So which one to choose? You have to check which number out of 50 and 30 is closer to 52. So now you can see clearly that 50 is closer to 52. So round off of 50, I'll take 50. So round off of 52, I'll be taking 50. Let us take another example, 94. Let us take 95. Okay, let me take it 45. Now in this case you see we have 40 in the left side and in the right side we have our 50. 45 is same distance from 40 and 50, right? So 45 is in the middle. So which one to choose? In this case, you can choose anyone. You can go for 40 also. You can go for 50 also. Whichever is necessary in that particular moment, you can take it. Okay, so you can go for 40, you can go for 50 also. That is completely depend upon you. This is tens round off. Now let us go and see what is 100 round off. So 245. Okay, here what I'll do, I will check in the left side what is the closest 100 and in the right side what is the closest 100. So in the left side we have 200. We have 200 which is closer to 245. Okay, so 200, we have 200 in the left side, and in the right side we have 300. So out of these two numbers, 200 and 300, which one is the closest to 245? So you can see that 200 is closest to 245. Let me take this another example, 657. So we are doing now hundreds round off, and 657 in the left side we have 600, and in the right side we have 700. So we have 600 and 700. So you can clearly see that 700 is closer to 657 than 600. Okay, so we can see that 700, because 700 is closer, so the round up of 657 is 700. So let us, this is 100 round up, we can go for 1000 round up also, it will be same. Now let us take one example, it will clear the thing. Suppose we are multiplying 245 and 657. So it looks very complex and time consuming if I try to multiply it. But now what I'll do, I will round it off. Okay, round off both this number. So 245, if I round off, I can write it 300, and 657, if I round off, then it will become 700. Okay, so this is my round off, and once I round off, the multiplication becomes easy. So in this case, when we see number and zero, what I'll do, I will multiply the number without zero, that is 3 and 7, that is very easy, 21, and then other zero, I will, how many zeros are there? There are 4 zeros, so I will just put the 4 zero in my answer. So this is my answer. So round off definitely makes the maths problem very easy. Let us take another example. 369 multiply with 23. So let us multiply this. So what I'll do, I will not multiply directly. Instead of multiplication, I'll be round off this number. So 369, I can write, instead of 369, I can write it 400. Okay, 100 round off I have done. And 23, if I round off 23, then it will be 20. So this is how I will be doing the round off, and once I have completed this, then multiplication becomes very easy. 4 and 2 I will multiply. 4 and 2 if I multiply, then it will be 8, and then I have to count in the zero, all the zero in the left side. So we have 2 0 here, 1, so 3 0, so the answer will be 8 and 3 0. So this is my answer. I hope the video is clear to you how we'll do the round off and how it is very easy to calculate once we do the round off. So lots of example you will find about round off in your book, and so please do this, practice the maths, and please like the video, share the video with the students or with your friend who need to know or who is searching this topic, having the confusion in round of. Please do not forget to subscribe the video, because in the coming videos I will be explaining more concept. Thank you for watching the video till the end.